Hi, it's Jennifer Evans with Empowering Wellness Counseling Solutions, and I have a really exciting thing for you. We have Transformation Journaling, which is a workbook that is all about jammed-packed full of ways to help you start your journey. And what we're offering is a free time. You sign up for my newsletter and you can have all the things that you want to be able to transform to a happier and healthier life. So go on my website, click on the link. When you sign up for the newsletter, you're going to be able to get Transformation Journaling, a workbook that will help you to be able to build a happier and healthier life. This is full of important things that will help you to understand whether you're working with Empowering Wellness or not, to be able to understand the basic foundations of what change is and how to make those changes. I'm giving this to all of my clients as they are starting their journey, and I am offering it for a limited time for free for signing up for my monthly newsletter, which will be great information to continue to support you on your journey. Here's a few examples with ADHD focus plan, what bad brain is, looking at mindfulness and equanimity, and many trackers that you can use. I really hope that you enjoy this. I was really excited to release it. Go to my website and click on the link to begin.